Can you really make money online with videos? Let's find out.
Stop paying for expensive video tools when these free ones can make you money starting today. Here's what nobody tells you. You don't need fancy software to start making money with videos. I'm using completely free tools, and they work better than the paid ones. First thing, sign up for InVideo AI. It's free and it makes videos for you with just text prompts. Then grab Kling AI for generating unique video clips that look professional. Both take 2 minutes to set up. Here's the move. You're going to create faceless videos about topics people search for. Money tips, life hacks, tech reviews. InVideo creates the base video. Kling makes custom clips when you need something specific. Don't overthink the setup. Just create accounts, verify your email, and you're ready. Most people waste weeks planning instead of just starting. Part 2 drops tomorrow where I show you exactly what videos to make.
This person doesn't exist, but they're making me a full-time salary. I stopped filming myself months ago. Now I just use HeyGen to create these ultra-realistic AI avatars. I take trending scripts, drop them in, and hit generate. The best part? I use the video translate feature to post these in 5 different languages. 1 video, 5 global markets, 5 times the affiliate revenue. The link to the exact AI setup I use is in my bio. Go grab the free trial before they cap the credits.